Ever feel like your finances are a tangled mess of receipts, bank statements, and overflowing inboxes? You're not alone. Between subscriptions, bills, and everyday spending, keeping track of everything can be a nightmare. Building context, 0:15 to 1 o'clock. That's where budgeting apps like Rocket Money come in. They help you categorize your spending, track bills, and even negotiate them down for you. Pretty cool, right? But to get the most out of Rocket Money, you need to connect your financial accounts. Introducing the topic, 1 to 115. Now, you might be wondering, how do I add my credit card to Rocket Money? Fear not, fellow financial warriors. Today's video is your step-by-step guide to conquering credit card chaos and getting your finances fighting fit. Steps with explanations, 115 to 430. Alright, let's dive in. There are two main ways to link your credit card, through the Rocket Money mobile app or the website. We'll cover both, so you can choose your weapon of financial organization. Mobile app method, 1:15 to 3 o'clock. Gear up, open the Rocket Money app and tap the settings icon, that little gear symbol in the top left corner. Account Army, select linked accounts or something similar, it might vary slightly depending on your version. This is where you'll assemble your financial army, with your credit card as a new recruit. Troop recruitment, now, tap link a new institution or plus to add a new account. Finding your bank, use the search bar to find your bank or credit card issuer. Once you see it, tap that familiar logo. Login Legion, here comes the secure part. You'll be directed to a login page that looks just like your bank's website. Enter your usual login credentials, username, and password. Don't worry, Rocket Money uses a secure connection, so your info is safe. Permission granted, your bank might ask you to confirm that you want to share your information with Rocket Money. Just follow the on-screen prompts and grant permission. Success! Once everything checks out, you'll be redirected back to the Rocket Money app, and voila! Your credit card should now be linked. Website method, 3 to 430. If you prefer the desktop view, the process is quite similar. Website warriors, head over to the Rocket Money website and log into your account. Settings HQ, click on the settings icon, again, that gear symbol, in the top left corner. Account assembly, just like on the app, select linked accounts. Troop recruitment, click on plus add institution to add a new account. Finding your bank, use the search bar to find your bank and select it. Login Legion, similar to the app, you'll be directed to a secure login page for your bank. Enter your login credentials there. Permission granted, grant permission for Rocket Money to access your credit card information. Success! Once everything is confirmed, you'll be back on the Rocket Money website, and your credit card will be linked and ready to rock. Additional tips, 4:30 to 5 o'clock. Here are some quick tips to make the process even smoother. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Have your bank login credentials handy. If you encounter any issues, there's a handy troubleshooting section on the Rocket Money Help Center, help.rocketmoney.com. Benefits of linking, 5 to 5:30. Now that your credit card is linked, Rocket Money can work its magic. It will automatically track your spending, categorize your transactions, and even identify areas where you can save. Plus, you can use it to monitor upcoming bills and avoid those dreaded late fees. Conclusion, 5:30 to 5:45. So there you have it. With your credit card linked to Rocket Money, you're well on your way to taking control of your finances.